We now move on to IELTS speaking part 2, and the topic is describe a time you saw children behave badly in public. And then we have the thing. So a time you saw means past tense. So you're going to speak all about it in the past tense. Please, you can start now.
Okay, so it is understandable that the children who are below 7 are usually misbehave, or they being rude to their parents or their elders most of the time. So today I will be discussing such kind of a situation where I saw children being disobedient to their parents, to their elders. So it was in the November, a few months ago, where I was at my friend's wedding. So I went there a day before the function. So we all know that at such occasions so many children are gathered over there. So most of the children there behaved very well, but some are there who misbehaved and who are being disobedient. So the function was well organized in a public hall, but as we reached there, we suddenly heard some noises. We tried to find out where the noises are coming from. So as we reached the spot, we saw some children fighting over there. Everyone was trying to know the actual reason for them fighting. But the children fighting, they did not want to hear to anyone. Even they spoke badly to their elders, to their parents. So the parents of their children, they felt insulted too after some time. And the people over there, they raised questions about their parenting because they were not listening to anyone over there. Their clothes were even torn. They increased the fight to this level. Subsequently, we came to find the reason of their fight, which was the children over there spoke bad jokes to someone, and the other children over there.
Okay. You've spoken for 2 minutes and you spoke well. Your pronunciation is quite good and you're maintaining a fluent level throughout as well. But I found some grammatical mistakes, right? That's the thing you need to work out. Like you said, at such occasions, it should have been on such occasions. Then you said some are there, were there, past tense.
Okay.
Instead of past, you used present. And then you said we try. It should have been we tried. Then you mispronounced the word clothes. You said something else. Clothes.
Their clothes were torn.
Yeah, clothes. It should be clothes.
Clothes.
Exactly.
Right.
And then you said are coming from, so it should have been were. So at 4 or 5 occasions, you used present instead of past.
All right.
Right? Now, we move on to speaking part 3. What bad behavior do children usually have?
Well, as far as I relate, the children who disrespect their elders, this is the thing nowadays most common. We can see it around us.
Now, you should focus what bad behavior do children usually have, like disobedience.
All right.
Or they abuse.
All right.
Or they shout. So you need to talk about a bad behavior. I asked you again, what bad behavior do children usually have?
So children usually have the disrespecting their elders and not listening to their elders, misbehaving at public places and breaking things.
Now you need to focus your sentences and breaking things. Instead of saying that, you say and they usually break the things because they are careless. So your sentence structure should be proper. But you use ing form and then you move on in phrases. These phrases are not grammatically correct. So you should focus the grammatical structure like subject, verb, object, like that. Let's move on. Are parents these days more strict than in the past?
Well, as far as I relate, parents nowadays are not that strict as they used to be in the past. The main reason for this is the clear influence of the Western culture. They do not pay enough attention to their children's parenting nowadays.
Okay, this is rather a short answer. You can just add a couple of sentences because in part 3, examiners expect long answers.
Right.
Overall, it's good. Let me tell you, the good thing is your pronunciation is quite good. right? Number 2, you speak fluently, but those and your vocabulary is fine, right? But those grammatical mistakes you should work out, and in part 3 you need to add some more detail to your answer. At present I'll be giving you a band score 6.5, but you have the ability to score 7. So those grammatical mistakes should be overcome, then you can easily score 7, right?
All right.
All the best. Thank you.
Thank you.